Four iPhone dummies poses for the photos gives us a final detail of the upcoming iPhone 13 series. Hey, what's up guys? We are back again with some latest news. So as you guys already know that we are literally 2 months away from the launch of the upcoming iPhone 13 or 12s model. So a few days ago we have seen the images for the dummy model of the upcoming iPhone 13 series, which pretty much gives us a final detail about the upcoming design for the iPhone 13 series. So according to these images, there is not much of a change we can see. Apple will reuse the 12 series design with only slight modification. You may have already noticed that the iPhone 13 and 13 mini have switched to diagonal placement for rear camera instead of vertical. Also, Sony Dixon, who has posted that photos on Twitter, says that the iPhone 13 Pro Max is slightly larger. In fact, all the models are expected to be slightly thicker and have a thicker camera bump too. The reason he thinks is simple, that we are going to see one a larger battery capacity and the other one an upgraded cameras. And talking about the cameras, all four models will feature a sensor shift stabilization, and according to the analyst at Trend Forces, also the ultra-wide module present on all the four phones should get an improved lens 6P with autofocus. Only the two Pro models will have a LiDAR scanner, which can be seen on the dummies as well. Some other design changes which are expected to be coming in the iPhone 13 series: from the front side, we now have a smaller notch instead of the notch we have seen in the iPhone 12 series. So this is going to be definitely a change here. Also, the display which is coming on the front is going to be of 120 Hz watt of supported as per the latest leak, which is also going to be a great change coming from Apple. Unfortunately, we are not going to be seeing any kind of Touch ID support inside the iPhone 13 series. Definitely, I was looking that Apple might include this time around the Touch ID, because as you know that in pandemic the Face ID is not working correctly. So this is not happening this year according to the leaks, but the next year 2022 iPhone models will be coming with a Touch ID support, and alongside with that they are also going to be seeing a design change in terms of notch. According to the leakster Ming Chen Kao, he says that the next year iPhone models are going to be coming with a design change. We are going to see for the first time a punch hole camera cutout in the iPhone series in the iPhone, and also we are expected to see the Touch ID inside that particular device, which is obviously going to be a significant improvement than this year iPhone models. Also in the news, we have the iPhone SE, which is in the works and it may launch in the first half of the 2022. It's going to be a device which is going to be the cheapest of iPhone 5G device. But on the downside, we don't expect to see a design change in the iPhone SE because it's looking hilarious, because it's going to be having a similar design. Also, we are going to see an improvement in terms of the next generation of processor coming inside the iPhone 13 series, and it's going to be called as A15. Basically, it's going to be much improved and coming with a 5nm of technology inside, which means that we are going to see some much improvement in terms of battery capacity, and also the performance is going to be even better. So guys, all in all, iPhone 13 series is going to be coming with a few changes than the iPhone 12 models. So I don't think that this is going to be a great upgrade. Anyhow, the next year iPhones are going to be coming with a massive design change and improvement inside the devices. So I think that the next iPhone models are going to be definitely worth of buying. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.